In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download AWS Console app on Android. First, let's open the Google Play Store. You can find the Play Store icon on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping this icon opens a world of applications for you to explore. The Play Store is where you'll find the AWS Console app, which is essential for managing your AWS resources on the go. This step is crucial as it connects you to the app you need to download. Once you tap the icon, a new interface will appear, filled with various app categories, trending apps, and more. Next, tap the search bar located at the top of the screen. This is where you will enter the app's name to find it quickly. Once you tap the bar, your keyboard will pop up, allowing you to type. It's important to use the exact name of the app to ensure you find the right one. This little detail saves you time and prevents confusion later on. After tapping the search bar, the screen will shift and you'll be ready to input your search term. Now type AWS Console into the search bar. As you type, you might see suggestions appear below the bar. These suggestions can help speed up your search. Make sure to type it accurately. This is important because any misspelling could lead you to the wrong app. Once you finish typing, look for the search button on your keyboard. Tapping it will initiate the search, and the results will appear shortly. From there, select AWS Console by AWS Mobile LLC from the list of results. You can identify it by the logo that features a cloud symbol. This is the official app from Amazon Web Services, ensuring that you are downloading the correct application. Selecting the right app is key to gaining access to the features and functionalities you need. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed to the app's detail page, where you can learn more about its features and functionalities. Next up, tap the Install button. This button is usually green and located near the top of the app's detail page. Once you tap Install, the download process will begin. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is vital because it initiates the installation process for the app. As the app downloads, you can monitor its progress, which gives you a sense of timing. After the app finishes downloading, wait for it to install. This process typically takes just a few moments. You will see a notification indicating that the app has been successfully installed. This step is reassuring because it confirms that the app is ready for use. Once the installation is complete, you'll be able to access the app right away. Now, tap the Open button. This option usually appears soon after installation. Tapping Open will launch the AWS Console app for the first time. This action is significant as it allows you to start using the app immediately. The screen will transition to the app interface, where you will be greeted with options to log in. Finally, sign in with your AWS account to access and manage your AWS resources. Enter your credentials carefully to ensure a successful login. This is important because your AWS account holds all your resources and configurations. Once you log in, you will have access to all the tools and resources you need at your fingertips, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded and opened the AWS Console app on your Android device. Enjoy managing your AWS resources on the go.